Hello and welcome to my channel. On this video, I am going to talk about some advanced level manifesting tips. So, about how to use the law of attraction to manifest everything you want in your life. It's mostly focused on using a vision board to attract what you want. So, my first tip to manifest your desires is to create a vision board with the things that you want to manifest. So, what is a vision board? It is simply uh, a board when you put all the things that you want to manifest in your life. You can put pictures of them, also different writings with good fonts, basically everything that you want, and this is going to attract your desires. It is best to create a vision board every year for your life. So we are now getting to the end of the year, and it's a really good time to create a vision board for your desires. And you can put it somewhere where it is really visible for you. Other ways you can use the concept of a vision board is also in your environment, pictures, things of your desires, of things that you want to attract. Also, for example, in your phone background, it's a really good place, or your computer background is a really good place to put the vision of what you want to attract it. Imagine seeing that thing in positive light for a year, and it really helps to attract the things that you desire. So, tip number 2 is to identify the limiting beliefs against the thing that you want. So, we dream sometimes about things that we want, but the first moment is just a dream. Then limiting beliefs start to come up. All the reasons why we can't have the thing, but they are just limiting beliefs, and it is really helpful to identify them, to write your limiting beliefs, and to ask yourself, is this the absolute truth? If something is the absolute truth, means that it is true for everyone. But if there is someone else who has achieved and who has what you want, it means that this is not an absolute truth, that is just your limiting beliefs. So just write them on your journal and ask yourself if they are absolute truth or if they are just limiting beliefs. Then rewrite the new versions of them. So, tip number 3 is to think about the persona that would receive what you want. What are the characteristics of the woman or the person who has what you want? So, this way you will identify what you need to become in order to achieve and have what you want. Number 4 is to turn your home and all your life into a 3D vision board. A 3D vision board is just your environment that you surround yourself. For example, your room, your office, your kitchen. Put there the images of the things that you want, and also bring in your home objects that enhance you and bring you closer to what you want. Get rid of all the things that relate maybe to your previous life, and also only include in your home and everything you see the things that you want to attract. This may take some days or maybe weeks to just clean out your home, your wardrobe, everything, to have only the things that are necessary in your life, the things that will bring you closer to what you want and also reflect that image, who have the vibration of what you want, and get rid of everything else. Often it is the environment that um, keeps us where we are and stops us from getting forward in our life. So it's just not it's not just only a piece of paper, a vision board, a card when you put your desires and images of them, but it's also 3D. It's all your life and all your objects, everything that you include in your environment needs to reflect the life that you want. It's better to have less things and good ones than to have a lot of things. Maybe you can have just some parts of your wardrobe, just a limited number, but they need to reflect the persona that you want to become. And also the same for jewelry and other things in your life. This is also about presenting yourself and marketing yourself, but also it's something spiritual about you that will keep you in a high vibration. And last tip for this video, tip number 5, is to watch other successful people. Nowadays, with the access that we have to the internet, we can basically connect to anyone. Just if you want something in your life, just watch videos, maybe vlogs, uh, watch the lives of people that you really admire and that you want to become like them. Watch their days, how they spend their lives, the things that they have. This is also a really good way to attract things in our lives. It has happened to me often that something that a topic or something, even a product, something that I watched in someone else that I really admire, I really want, and watched that person with pure admiration and um, positive vibe, that infected me, and later that thing manifested in my life too. So this is really helpful to follow all your social media, and um, also in your real life, only people, successful people, people who have what you want and who are the kind of person that you want to become. And please unfollow, get rid of everything else that might be damaging to you. So that's all for this video. These were my 5 tips on advanced level manifesting, so that you can manifest the life that you desire. Thank you for watching. Bye.